When you're new to Google Ads, it's easy to waste money on things that don't really bring you the desired results. According to one study, the return on ad spend for most advertisers across all industries is 2.87, meaning that for every £1 spent, most advertisers will get back £2.87 in return. Meaning if you are not seeing a similar return on your ad spend, then you could be missing out on opportunities to make more from Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to cover 6 easy ways to eliminate wasted spend on Google Ads. But just before we start, we've noticed that 65% of you are not subscribed to the channel, so if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great for us. So starting off, number 1, move your focus from clicks to conversions. If you're running a brand awareness campaign, then clicks are definitely a metric you should be following, but they shouldn't be your priority. Instead, you should focus on 4 main metrics, and these are, of course, conversions. If you don't already have conversions set up, then do that first. You need to have a good understanding of what actions you want customers to take once they've clicked through to your website from your ad, and how much those actions are worth to you. Next, we have conversion rate. This is the percentage of people that convert once they've clicked through to your website from your ad. This percentage value can help highlight issues with either your landing page or your conversion funnel. Cost per conversion. This is the average cost it takes to get one conversion. And lastly, return on ad spend. This is how much you are making in return for how much you are spending. If you're selling online, such as an e-commerce store, then this conversion value should be set up for you automatically. Of course, that means that you have to set up your conversion correctly in the first place. If, however, your conversion is something like a lead form, then you'll need to calculate how much each of those lead form generations are worth to you. I recommend setting up a conversion value for all conversions regardless of what they are, as this will allow Google to bid more effectively for you. Focusing on these 4 metrics will allow you to more easily measure the success of your Google Ads campaigns. It will also allow you to streamline your campaigns. For example, if one of your keywords has produced very few conversions or none at all, then pausing that keyword could actually free up spend that could be used by other better performing keywords. This highlights the importance of closely monitoring your keywords so that you know that they are always performing to achieve your business objectives. Number 2, optimize your landing page. Too often I see ads that lead to a page that has nothing to do with what the ad was originally quoting, or worst of all, it just leads to a homepage. Your landing page needs to meet and satisfy the expectations of the visitors that are coming to your website. For instance, if your ad focuses on a 50% off sale, then make sure that your landing page also focuses on that. This will ensure an online experience that delights your customers and will go a long way to achieving Google Ads success. When it comes to optimizing your landing page, it's good to have a firm understanding of how your customers are interacting with your content. It also helps to have a basic understanding of SEO. This is so that Google will also appreciate the content that you are trying to promote. You can use heat map platforms to help you monitor how customers are moving around your content and interacting with it. Platforms like Hotjar as well as Google Analytics can really give you an insight into where your content may be lacking. So here are some quick tips on how to optimize your landing page. Make sure the title of the page closely relates to the headline of your ad. Use a distinct and easy to follow funnel to move customers toward your conversion event. Create a dedicated landing page for each of your ad groups so that you can ensure each landing page is as related to the keywords and ad text as possible. Keep the page easy to navigate and read. Don't use red text or overuse uppercase, as this can cause your content to seem aggressive. Give your customers options. Not everyone's going to want to call you or fill in a form. So give your customers other options such as an email address so that they can choose how they convert. Be mobile friendly. It goes without saying that most search is on mobile now, so you need to cater to that. To find out more about how to create a great landing page, then check out our previous video. The link will be in the description below. Number 3, use the right match type. Keyword match type allows you to control how related the search will be to your keyword. There are 3 match types. Broad match. This is the default match type in Google Ads. You will get the most clicks and impressions with this match type. This match type will spend your budget more quickly than other match types, as your keyword will be used more frequently and won't always be on the most relevant search. So if you are using a large amount of broad match keywords, then negative keywords are an absolute must. The next match type is phrase match. This shows for searches that match a phrase or in close variation to that phrase. This leads to stronger targeting as well as more control. And our last match type is exact match. This shows your ads on searches that match an exact term or in close variation of that term. This will give you the most control as well as lead to stronger targeting, but it will mean that you see fewer clicks and impressions. Due to all of this, I recommend only using broad match at the beginning of brand new campaigns. This will allow you to gauge interest in certain keywords, and once you've had around 1,000 clicks, you can start moving towards a phrase and exact match majority. Number 4 is sculpting your traffic to the right ad group. Traffic sculpting can sound a bit complicated, but I assure you it's not. And it is something that I recommend all advertisers use regardless of industry. What it basically means is using negative keywords to move traffic from one ad group to another. For example, let's say you sell furniture online and you have an ad group for dining chairs and then one for desk chairs. You'll want to add negative keywords such as desk chair or office chair to your dining room ad group. This will guarantee that you're always sending search to the most relevant ad and landing page. Periodically work through your search term report so you can easily find those negative keywords to add to each ad group. Working this way can also help highlight interest that you may not have tapped into yet. Using this method can also help improve your quality score. Number 5, make sure you're tracking everything. If you aren't correctly tracking how customers behave once they've clicked through from your ads, then you can't be certain that your Google ads are effective. Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a platform where you can store all of your website tracking in one easy-to-use place. Within Google Tag Manager, you can easily create Google Ads tracking. This will allow you to monitor all types of conversions, including form submissions, downloads, and product purchases. Google Analytics Events. Google Analytics allows you to measure how well your website is performing, as well as recording the performance of your business objectives. To ensure that you are accurately measuring the performance of your campaigns, you can set up custom events within Google Tag Manager. This will allow you to easily track conversions on your website. Number 6, test automated bidding. Google provides a number of automated bidding strategies that will help you to utilize your ad budget. These include maximize conversion value. This will automatically set bids to help you get the most conversion value back from your ads. Maximize conversions. This will automatically set bids to help you get the most conversions for your budget. Maximize clicks. This will automatically set bids to get you the most clicks possible for your budget. Target impression share. This automatically sets bids to get your ad showing at the very top of the page or within the top 3 or anywhere within the search results on that first page. With the aim of optimizing your budgets as well as improving conversions, I recommend using Maximize Conversions. However, Maximize Conversions will spend your entire daily budget every single day. So if you're currently spending much less than your daily budget, Maximize Conversions will increase your spending significantly. This is a great bidding strategy for established campaigns. But be cautious of switching from manual CPC too early, as without enough historical conversion data, Google won't be able to bid effectively. And that's it! Those are my 6 simple tips to reduce wasted spend on Google Ads. If you'd like to see more videos from us, then please like, subscribe and comment below. And don't forget to check out my previous video on Google Quality Score so that you can get even more from your Google Ads campaigns.